In this video, I will show you how to create a simple budget tool. I will use the file I created on my video called A Simple Bank Account Balance Sheet using Excel Spreadsheet. First, just list what you expect to earn, and the items you want to allocate in your budget, at the bottom of your balance sheet. In this example, I will list my monthly recurring expenses and allotments. With the total showing, you can easily see if you will be short, or have extra money at the end of the month. Perhaps, we can adjust our budget for the monthly allowance. Then just use the check system to check off the items you already applied. When you're ready for the next month, just copy and paste, then carry over your budget list lower down your balance sheet.